Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the small cap company news we've been covering over the past week. Helium One Global has made its first helium sale from the Galactica project in Colorado, with CEO Lorna Blaisse describing the milestone as transformational. Multiple wells are tied in with 24/7 operations and a farm-out process underway at its project in Tanzania.
We have now very much moved beyond being a pure explorer and are now an exploration and production company. So delighted to have got the company to this stage.
Galliford Try expects full-year profits at the top end of market forecasts, with average monthly cash up 21%. The order book's grown to £4.3 billion, with 90% of next year's revenue already secured.
As such, our adjusted profit before tax will be at the top end of market expectations, or £53 million, well ahead of the revenue growth, which is exactly the story that we want to be telling. And so it's that disciplined approach to project selection and to project execution. That's really what drives it. And we see that in our risk managed order book. We see it through improved commercial terms that we're putting out there. And we see it also through the improved contribution from our higher margin specialist businesses.
Bango says annual recurring revenue jumps 31% to $20.4 million in the first half, with cash EBITDA already beating the whole of last year. Full-year adjusted EBITDA is expected to rise 34%.
So look, the emphasis is really on disciplined execution. So we're very focused on driving cash generation, and that's from improving the quality of our revenue and then applying a rigorous focus on costs. And the combination of both is what's driving that uptick and providing strong evidence really that the business model is scaling.
Iofina has posted record first-half iodine production of just under 394 metric tons, up 29% year-on-year. Its first Permian Basin plant is due online in the third quarter and is a key part of the next phase of growth.
This IO12 plant is an example of that. It's going to be producing, somewhere around the 200 metric ton kind of market. And we have opportunities with good partners that we're evaluating in multiple areas to build these types of bigger plants. And we're going to accelerate the timing of the build of these plants.
London BTC company has staked its fourth Nevada gold project, Black Star, with surface samples returning up to 16 grams per ton gold. Lab results are pending across all four projects.
Our philosophy here is to build this up the value chain, and one of these projects could end up being an absolute gangbuster project that really makes this whole project, the whole company, and puts a lot of money into the company to make it, quite substantial for Bitcoin recovery and Bitcoin growth.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.